Doctor Visit English Conversation for Beginners.
I don't feel very good. Why do I feel like this? My head hurts, and I feel very warm. Maybe I walked too much today. I feel dizzy, like the world is spinning.
Excuse me, are you okay?
I'm not sure. I don't feel well.
You look pale. What's wrong?
My head hurts, and I feel weak.
Do you feel like you might faint?
Yes, a little.
When did this start?
This morning, but it is worse now.
Did you eat today?
I ate a small breakfast, but nothing after that.
Did you drink water?
Not much. I forgot.
That can make you feel very sick.
I think you're right. I feel tired, very tired.
You should see a doctor.
I'm traveling. I don't know where to go.
There's a clinic close to here.
Really?
Yes, it's only a short walk.
I don't feel strong, but I can try.
Take your time. Stand slowly.
Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome. Stay calm.
I'm glad you stopped to talk to me.
Let's go together.
I hope it's nothing serious.
Most likely you are exhausted.
I walked all day in the sun.
That explains a lot.
I should have rested more.
It happens to travelers.
I feel safer walking with you.
We're almost there.
It's okay, Daisy. We're almost there. I feel so sick.
With Sophia's help, Daisy arrives at a clinic.
Hello, how can I help you today?
She feels sick and needs to see a doctor.
Of course. Please come in. Hello. Tell me how you feel.
I feel dizzy, weak, and very warm.
I understand. Please sit down. How long have you felt like this?
Since this morning,
Do you have pain anywhere?
my head hurts a little.
Do you feel nausea?
A little, yes.
Okay. Please fill out this form.
I'm visiting from another country.
That's okay. We treat travelers all the time.
That makes me feel better. Is this information correct?
Yes, thank you. How long will you wait?
About 10 to 15 minutes. That's fine.
Drink slowly.
Thank you. I feel a little better already.
Hydration helps.
I didn't realize I was so dehydrated.
It happens often.
Traveling is exciting, but tiring.
Very true.
I hope the doctor can help.
The doctor is very experienced.
That's good to hear. Thank you both for being kind.
You're welcome. We're here to help. The doctor will see you now.
Okay, I'm ready.
Hello, please come in. Okay, thank you.
Hello. Please sit down. Thank you. Tell me what you are feeling. I feel dizzy, tired, and warm. Any headache? Yes, a mild one. Did you eat or drink today? Very little. That explains a lot. You have a small fever. Is it dangerous? No, you were exhausted and dehydrated. That makes sense. Have you been walking a lot? All day. In the sun? Yes. Your body needs rest. I understand. I'll give you medicine. Thank you. Drink water regularly. I will. Eat light food. Okay. Avoid long walks today. I'll rest. Take 1 tablet every 6 hours. After food? Yes. Will I feel sleepy? Maybe a little. That's okay. You should feel better tomorrow. I'm relieved. Do you have questions? No, thank you. Rest well. I will. Thank you, doctor.
Here's your prescription, Daisy. Thank you, doctor. Hi.
Hello. I need this medicine.
Let me see. Yes, we have it. Here you go.
Thank you. Can you explain again how to take it?
1 tablet every 6 hours after food.
With water?
Yes, plenty.
Any side effects?
You may feel sleepy.
That's fine.
Make sure you eat first.
I will.
Rest is important.
I understand.
Avoid sun exposure.
Good advice.
Get well soon.
Thank you very much.
I think it's working. Good, just rest.
I already feel calmer. My body really needed rest. I feel better. Much better. My head doesn't hurt anymore.
Good morning. How are you?
I feel strong again.
That's wonderful.
Thank you for helping me yesterday.
You did the right thing.
I learned an important lesson.
What lesson?
Drink water, rest, listen to your body.
Perfect advice.
Traveling is fun, but health comes first.
Exactly.
Today, I will walk slowly.
Good plan.
Thank you both again.
Anytime. Have a great day.
I will.
Traveling is amazing, but listening to your body is important. Drink water, rest, and ask for help when you need it.